Devendra Singh Bhudoria. I belong from Digital Empowerment Foundation, and I'll take the Web 2.0 session.
I am Nagavir Prakash from Kalanjang Community Radio, that foundation, Nagapatnam, Tamil Nadu.
I am James Dyer from Part 1, Tamil Nadu.
Good morning, I am Vandana from Gurgaon Ki Awaaz Community Radio.
Good morning everyone, myself Soumya, Gurgaon Ki Awaaz Community Radio.
Good morning, I am Pramod Sharma, Radio Azad in Bhopal.
Good morning, I am Nirmal Raj, Janmani Community Radio Station, Kerala.
Good morning, I am Anil Angelos, Radio Bensiga from Kerala.
नमस्ते, सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम राजेंद्र नेगी है और मैं सामुदायिक रेडियो हेबलवानी चंबा उत्तराखंड से आया हूँ।
नमस्कार सभी को, मैं बहादुर सिंह इनवाल, रेडियो कुमाऊनी, उत्तराखंड से।
Good morning all of you. I am Siva Bharti from Voice of Azamgarh, Uttar Pradesh.
मनोज दास, रेडियो संस्कार, जगतसिंहपुर, उड़ीसा।
सभी को नमस्कार, मैं धीरेन्द्र कुशवाहा, रेडियो आवाज, सीहोर, मध्य प्रदेश।
Nikita Jain from Co-Foundation Delhi.
स्वदेश समैया फ्रॉम चंदेरी की आवाज MP।
सभी साथियों को नमस्कार, मैं बेबी राजा, रेडियो धड़कन शिवपुरी, मध्य प्रदेश से।
नमस्कार, मैं प्रवीण श्रीवास्तव, गणित लोकवाणी, ललितपुर, उत्तर प्रदेश।
Adab, this is Zahid Faruqi from Deccan Radio, Hyderabad.
Hi, good morning everybody. I am Shweta from Development Alternatives. That is on behalf of Radio Bundelkhand.
I am Shivaji Yadav, Mandeshi Taranwani, Maswat, Satara, Maharashtra.
I am Suraj Solse from Ahmednagar, from Radio Nagar.
From which state?
Maharashtra. Radio Nagar.
Radio Nagar.
Good morning, I am Professor Ashok Singh Sonal from CRS Alwar Ki Awaaz, Rajasthan.
नमस्ते, मैं उदय गोडबोले, येरळावाणी, सांगली, महाराष्ट्र।
Hi everyone, I am Ritu Bhai, representing Videsh Bhagat Radio, Chandigarh. Hello everybody, I am Nanda Vijay Raghav, Sarthi Chalak, Bangalore, Karnataka.
हेलो नमस्कार, मेरा नाम मीना राज है, मैं किसान रेडियो उत्तर प्रदेश बस्ती से आई हूँ।
Good morning to all, my name is Selvi from Radio Kotagiri, Keystone Foundation, Kotagiri, Bengal Grace, Tamil Nadu.
Good morning, Jazz Khan from Lokit Radioactive, Nagalpur.
Which place? Sorry?
Bihar.
Bihar. Nagarpur.
I'm Rohit. I'm working with DF as a producer. You can say I do video editing and all. And photography.
Take class.
Yeah, I will be going to take class for Facebook and YouTube. गुड मॉर्निंग, मेरा नाम सत्येंद्र है और यहाँ पर मैं आप सबको जो आप कम्युनिटी रेडियो की जो आप वेबसाइट बनाएंगे उस वेबसाइट में जो भी मैक्सिमम आप कर सकते हो वो सब मेरे अंडर में होगा। मैं आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप कल तक सब कुछ मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम देने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगा।
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। मेरा नाम आनंद है और मैं एज अ देवसर की टीम से ही हूँ, डीएफ की अंडर टेक्निकल।
Sanya, I am from DEF
I'm a digital content producer and editor, and I'll be taking a session on social media, Facebook and YouTube.
So now I will invite Ms. Supriya Sahu. She also has to go to another program. So I would say that it would be good to hear from her why we are doing this. And after that, I will map all of you about the existing expertise in all of you. It is important to know कि आप सब क्या जानते हैं, क्या करते हैं, what do you know, what do you do, because it may be possible that many of you would be knowing many of the things which we can in the workshop use also, so we can complement, and we should also not do something which you might be knowing. So I will map all of you in terms of expertise and in terms of what is the expectation, and then we will do the rest. But before that, Ms. Supriya Sahu.
Good morning, everybody. Very happy to see all of you. In fact, now that all of you know that we are preparing for our Sammelan also, which will be coming sometime in the month of February. अभी सम्मेलन का इनवाइट तो हमने आपको नहीं भेजा है, but I think सबको अपना that booklet compendium, that mail has everybody got? Yes. To update the compendium? Yes. Is there anybody who has not got the mail for the compendium? You haven't got? Selvi नहीं मिला आपको? You haven't got. Yeah. No, the mail for the next compendium that they have to update the date. You also haven't got? You are from which station? Madhya Pradesh. Sihor, Madhya Pradesh. Okay. And Keystone, they haven't got it. Has everybody else got it? And has everybody sent it? How many of you? What was the last date for sending it? 10th December, which is tomorrow, right? So please make sure that you send it by tomorrow.
But the mail being sent to Tiku's address is bouncing.
It is bouncing?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just get all these things corrected. You are from Chandigarh, right? Okay, I remember that. So I'll do that. Now, actually, I really don't know why we have arranged the workshop. Let me be very honest. I really do not know the details. The only thing I know that being on the social media is extremely important and extremely powerful. And I do not want, all of us, do not want community radios to miss this opportunity. Right? Social media की बातें तो सभी लोग करते हैं. But what all platforms are there in social media? How to be on the social media? What to do on the social media? How to make yourself heard? What are the advantages? Can you reach out to a larger audience through the social media? After all, as a community radio, आपका mandate क्या है? निकी जी आप बताइए.
माइंडसेट होगा कि वो क्या करना चाहते हैं अपनी कम्युनिटी के लिए या क्या कर रहे हैं. तो उसी तरीके से जो रेडियो कमावनी का मेन है कि हम अभी मेनली काम कर रहे हैं किसानों के लिए और वुमेन्स के लिए, तो हम उसी फील्ड में थोड़ा आगे बढ़ रहे हैं.
Excellent. So basically, if you have heard from all of them, what they are saying is to reach out the voices of the community to a wider audience. And there are so many other things also. But I think it is also very important, first of all, to also know what others are thinking about you. Also to know what is happening everywhere else in the world, in the field of community radio. अब जैसे न्यूजीलैंड है, तो वहाँ पे कम्युनिटी रेडियो में क्या हो रहा है? यूएस है, वहाँ पे कम्युनिटी रेडियो में क्या हो रहा है? वहाँ के लोगों का कुछ फीडबैक आपके लिए है. Sitting, for example, Selvi has come from Kotagiri, where I was collector long time back. I did not know anything about community radio at that time. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि community radio क्या होता है. I did not know anything at all. But I think social media is a very powerful medium, a very powerful tool to not only to reach out to the entire world, but also to know what the rest of the world is doing, what the rest of the world is thinking about you. So अगर आप YouTube में, in fact मुझे याद है last time when we did our Sammelan, every day at the end of every session, so many participants were uploading so many clips on YouTube. You remember that? Has anybody bothered to see that? आप अभी YouTube में चले जाइए और देखिए कम्युनिटी रेडियो नेशनल सम्मेलन, 3rd नेशनल सम्मेलन, there are so many clips. isn't it? And I think the James is already taking some pictures and all that, and very soon he will upload it on YouTube. I know that because he did it last time. So many of you already know this. Many of you are already familiar. But I know in this group there are many people who do not know how to take a small clip, how to upload it, and why upload it. What is the significance of being on the YouTube, on Twitter? In fact, I am very proud to say, and Osama knows about it, that in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and probably in the entire government sector, the only Twitter conference that we had was on the community radio. And after that, there has not been any Twitter conference, at least in the INB ministry. And when we did the Twitter conference, we had scheduled the conference to be only for a period of 1 hour. But you know, the questions kept on coming for another 2 hours, and people kept on saying, no, please continue. And then we could see so many queries people had about community radio. From basic fundamental queries, what is a community radio, what is the use of community radio, to people asked very, very important questions about the spectrum, about allocation of frequencies, about delay in the issue of licenses, isn't it? So there are so many areas where we can share our experiences, we can learn from each other. I can see there is a spectrum of community radio stations sitting in this room. People are here from Maharashtra, from UP, from Tamil Nadu, from Kerala, from Chandigarh. I think there are so many other states. I won't be able to take the names of all the states. So when you all sit together, you produce thousands of hours of programming, which also includes music, the local, and also includes clips about the local cultural heritage. There is so much you can upload. And so many videos if you upload, you can learn as to what is happening. Twitter में आप कर सकते हैं, Facebook में आप कर सकते हैं. I think it's a very, very good medium for this sector to get much more closer. Isn't it, Osama? It's basically to learn from each other, to find out how a small station in Shivapuri, what kind of music it is producing, what is the community, what kind of programs are happening. Also learn from each other as to what better can be done, what more can be done. So I'm extremely happy, and I would like to thank particularly Osama and his team. The idea is his. We caught up the idea. You remember some of you were there in his session in Vigyan Bhavan? Jahan se iski, So, it all started from that, and I'm very happy that one of the recommendations that we had in the last Sammelan, that we should be, we should know about social media. I'm happy that dream is getting realized, isn't it? That is becoming a reality. So 2 days that we are here, make the maximum use of it. I'll come again. I will come again. In fact, I would have loved to sit here when Osama is doing the mapping. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता अगर मैं यहाँ पर होती, लेकिन मुझे एक और प्रोग्राम में जाना है. मैं जा करके उसके बाद हम आपके पास फिर वापस आएंगे. We will come back again to see what actually is happening, and my entire team, Grewal will also be here. He's into another meeting. Parliament भी चल रहा है actually. Rao is already here in any case. So ministry की भी team यहाँ पर अभी होगी आपके साथ, and I'm very happy, and I would like to once again thank Osama for organizing this beautiful workshop, and I'm very sure this will be one of the most important things you will learn as a community radio operator. And I think after learning this, I would like to see more and more of you on the social media platforms. Okay? So maybe if today or tomorrow I come again and have a chat with you. Thank you very much. Have a nice workshop, learn a lot, and also teach me and tell me, and teach us as to what you learned and what